If you want to connect Canva with ChatGPT, this quick tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. Once you connect the two, you can make your design workflow much faster and easier by using Canva right inside ChatGPT. This is a great setup if you create social media graphics, thumbnails, presentations, or marketing visuals and want a smoother way to work. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to ChatGPT in your browser. Once you're on the main page, look to the left side menu and click on More. This is where you'll find extra options and integrations that are not shown up front. After that, click on Apps. This opens the Apps section inside ChatGPT where you can connect supported tools and services. Now, in the Apps section, find and click on Canva. This takes you to the Canva integration page. Here, you'll see the option to start the connection process. Click on Connect to begin linking Canva with ChatGPT. Next, you'll see a button that says Connect Canva. Click that button to move forward with the authorization flow. This step is important because it tells ChatGPT that you want to allow access to your Canva account so the two services can work together. After that, Canva will ask for permission. You'll be taken to the Canva login and authorization screen where you need to review the access request carefully. If everything looks correct, click Allow. This gives ChatGPT permission to connect with Canva and use the features available through the integration. Once you approve it, the connection is completed. At this point, Canva is linked with ChatGPT, and you can start using the integration for your design-related tasks. Depending on what features are available in your account, this can help you streamline creative work, generate ideas faster, and move between chat and design tools more efficiently. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're signed in to the correct ChatGPT account and that Canva is available in your region or plan. Sometimes app integrations roll out gradually, so checking those details can help if the buttons don't appear exactly as expected. And that's it. You've successfully connected Canva with ChatGPT. It only takes a few clicks, but it can save a lot of time if you regularly create content or work on visual projects. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide.